I hope no one I know sees me dressed like this.
Come on.
Well, what am I supposed to do again?
Well, just go out there and sing that song with things that start with the letter B. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, let's get this over with.
Okay, everybody. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, here he is, Benny Bunny.
Don't call me Bunny.
Just sing.
Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee. Come and sing it now with me. Bubby, 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 bow tie. Bubby, 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 bib. Bubby, 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 bonnet. You know they all start with B. In the Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. And you can sing it all day long. They like me.
That was great, Benny.
Yeah.
Sing some more about
Yes,
B,
sing some
Benny.
more.
Yeah, well, 1 second. Maria, psst, psst, come here. What should I sing?
I don't know. Just make up stuff with words that start with B.
Buddy, 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 do, do. Bubby, 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 Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Hey! Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee. Come and sing it now with Benny. Bubby, 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 Barnacle. Bubby, Bubby, bacon fat. Bubby, Bubby, Barracuda. You know they all start with B. Ba-doo-ba in the Bubby, Bubby, Bubby Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bubby Bee song. Bubby, Bubby, Bunny Bee song. Make sure you sing it all day long. Yeah, thank you. Well, I did my bit now. I'm out of here.
Wait, where you going? Don't you want to sing more songs?
No, I gotta get downtown. Later.
Oh, man. I wanted to teach him the Bubby's been working on the railroad song.
Yeah, I love that one.
Yeah, me too.
Bubby's been working on the railroad. Bubby's been working on the railroad. Boy, that Bubby works hard there. Like a beautician curling hair. Boogie, boogie on the railroad. Boogie, boogie on the railroad.
Yeah. How about that one, Maria, huh? You wouldn't call that masterpiece just nice, would you?
No, I wouldn't call it that.
Mm-hmm. Didn't think so.
Let's sing it again.
Yeah.
Boogie, Rocking on the railroad, Boogie's been
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters B and Q and by the number 7. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Adios!
railroad, Boogie,